Hey, what's going on YouTube? Nathan Olson here from yourcharisma.com, helping you create your brand your way. On this channel, we do a lot of social media marketing help as well as Instagram tips. So if you have not already subscribed, please subscribe. Today, we're going to be talking about different formats on Instagram, how you can utilize multiple types of content in order to draw the most growth and engagement for your account. Coming up. Alright, welcome back, guys. Today I just want to go over something real quick. This is going to be a short video because I know you guys know most of this content, but I just want to reassure it that a lot of you guys are hearing and it's resonating with you guys, what I'm saying. On Instagram and all types of social media platforms, it is a necessity to use multiple streams and multiple types of content, whether that be video, captions, different format in your captions, different way to use font in your pictures, different messages. It's this whole variety that allows for the most growth, engagement, and return on followers for your account. Because when you go to, let's say, specific accounts that only post one type of content, they're very solidified in their ways. You can expect almost the same thing. You might even see some repeat posts on there with almost the same caption every single time. That type of content is what drives follower growth and follower engagement down extremely far. It's because when followers have no desire or will to visit your page because they can expect the same exact thing every single time, then they're gonna stop visiting your page as much. They might visit it once a week instead of once every day, or once every month, or once every 2 weeks. This type of follower depreciation and engagement is what's going to slow your account growth down significantly. Utilizing multiple streams of content is very good for promoting follower growth and engagement. The different types of content, not only can you feel out what your audience likes and dislikes across the span of your whole niche, but you will actually be able to concretely work down a system for implementing different types of content. For example, when you go in with a video, creating your own video, let's say for a short Instagram video, you'll slowly start to figure out the best way and the best method you can use to get your message across. Just through trial and error and practice, over time you will gain better technical skills when it comes to capturing, taking video, and relaying that information in a definitive way to your audience so that they can take the information with ease. And this type of strategy is very useful. Videos convert extremely higher than pictures normally, although they do sometimes receive less likes. Typically they spark conversation a little bit more because you can get more content in there, and more people are driven typically nowadays to visual style information as opposed to reading it. Long captions and paragraphs can actually drive some people away from reading the entire thing. They'll actually just skim it, just trying to get the most important parts, or some people won't read it at all. So video is a very unique way in order to get your message across to your audience, as well as to throw in some creative video editing in order to make things cooler and also just work with you. And when it comes to captions, you know, it's always good to start it with a new way. I like to pose a question, and every once in a while, sometimes I'll say, here's a workout below, and people will instantly know, hey, this is a workout post. Hey, this one's asking a question of what we think's better, or what the technicals are for this move. This one is an information one that allows me to see how to do a specific movement correctly. So I like to use a variety of leading captions the same way I would use a variety of email titles and headers in order to attract a different crowd or to spark interest. Utilizing those different types of formats and captions just across all social media will definitely increase your growth and your follower engagement. You guys need to start implementing multiple types of content. I see a lot of people only use specifically, this happens a lot in the luxury niche. I've seen most. A lot of people tend to just post the same exact type of content with the same exact few sentence captions, and that may be good if you're just uploading content constantly and you're really driven to get engagement by using engagement groups and whatnot, and you can make your account go viral through a lot of work. But you'll gain a lot of organic growth if you simply just take the extra step and implement different strategies in your content creation. Creating a well-devised variety of content for your strategy plan when you're uploading content to social media outlets, it is essential that you create a variety of plans, because utilizing different methods and different tactics will make you will create a more well-rounded social media marketer as well as social media creator. Just take the extra time, guys. Go the extra step and stay tuned for the next video.